Hello and welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at the Stryker SR955 today. This is for Rob in Michigan. It's a tune-up report with a 636 microphone. Rob, on this watt meter, I'm looking at 30 watts across the bottom scale. Come at 15. Now I'm going to change it to 10 watts on the scale and bring the power all the way down. It's just under 4 watts. I'm going to put it back to high power again. Let's look at this watt meter. It's got 100 watts slug in it, so we'll be reading power across the bottom. 40, 60, 80, 100 there.
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Okay, we'll put it to upper sideband. Turn this volume down so.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check.
Okay, and we'll put it on the air. Breaker went on for radio check. I think I heard you say I'm doing it. I think I hear you say that radio check is doing it, Roger. 10-602 North Central Oklahoma. Coming down here to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and top of all that noise.
Roger, on top of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Man, you're making a good trip over here. I'm in a little diesel car just trying to get the day finished up. And you got moving on there like you should be. 602 said it.
10-602, 642 Fort Lauderdale says thank you, and we're back out.